everybody, it's Muzaffar. Today I just wanted to shoot a quick video. I've been not making videos because I had recently had a kid and I've been just, taking a paternity leave and just resting. However, there's something I had to do to my car for my next track event, which is in about 2 weeks. Last time I was at Dominion Raceway, I had some minor problems with the car, with the way I'm seated and the room I have above my head. This issue came up because I was wearing a helmet. There's a lot less space. Right now I have, I don't know, like maybe like a hand width space over my head, maybe a little bit less. If I'm sitting straight, it's even less. So with a helmet, I do have enough space. However, I have this grab handle over here that I keep on hitting my head at the track, especially at the bumpy section. So if I put the car in N mode, in the stiffest mode, or even in sport, even in normal mode, it's still sometimes it's bouncy enough where I'll hit my head with the helmet into this grab handle. And that's not good over long term because it could cause some damage to the brain. So to fix that issue, I'm just going to be removing the grab handle. This is just a simple modification, or at least a removal. I don't use the grab handle when I'm driving. My previous car, the Mustangs, they don't have any grab handle, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. It's pretty easy to remove. So I'm gonna show how I'm going to be removing it. Before doing that, I'm just gonna put on a helmet and show you how little space I have with my helmet and how easy it is to touch this grab handle. So I'll put my helmet on. I have enough space at the top, maybe just a little bit. Like with the helmet, my hand barely goes through it. My seat is as low as possible, so I can't really go any lower. I have to put the seat back a little bit lower, but then it will affect my reach to the steering wheel. As you can see, if I turn my head like this, it touches. So as I'm driving, there's like different G-forces. If there's any jumps, it'll be touching it. So it's pretty annoying and pretty distracting. So I'm gonna show you how I'm going to be removing it. So let me relocate the camera. So using the plastic trim removal, I just kind of move these down. It's very easy. You just take even a credit card, just fit it in here and it just comes down. This one as well. So to remove them, I'm just going to use a screwdriver. So to the first one, my screwdriver. This screw came right out. Before I completely remove that side, I'll remove the screw on this side. So I have the grab handle out of the location. Here are the holes. I might use like a gaff tape or something to cover this up. Other than that, I think this is pretty much done. I'm gonna put the helmet on, see how the space is now. So here's with the helmet on, and I have much better space. It's still rubbing against this area. There's going to be a lot less of that bump. I have to really go up a little bit more. It's still going to touch. I think on like really bumpy section, my head is still going to touch, but I think it's much better. So that's the minor modification I had to do today. Yeah, I wish the seats would go a little bit lower in this car, but it is what it is. Kind of have to work with this. I might play around with the steering wheel and seating position a little bit. We'll see. I have to be as comfortable as possible for the track, so hopefully I'll find a better position, but this should help a lot. Thank you for watching. This was just a quick change with the car. Hopefully this should make it easier for me at the track. And if you have problems with, if you have a big head like mine and you're 6'2" or taller, it might be useful to do this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.